Building with WordPress has never been easier, but what we're shipping next will take it to the next level. It's so good that I've completely ditched my other AI-assisted WordPress development setup, and I use Studio almost exclusively. I'm Jonathan, a developer advocate at Automatic, and I want to show you the future of AI-powered WordPress development. WordPress Studio, our open source local development environment, just became your personal agentic development tool by fully integrating our specialist WordPress AI agent, Studio Code, into the desktop experience. This new experience puts you in full control of Studio Code, which understands WordPress deeply and will help you build whatever you need in minutes rather than hours. Need a new custom theme, plugin, or full site build? Just tell the agent what you want, and it will create it for you. Better yet, you can preview what it builds live in the new preview pane. Click through to see your posts, pages, theme structure, plugin functionality, even the WordPress admin dashboard and the local database, all from the same WordPress Studio interface. One of the big benefits of the new preview pane is the ability to implement smaller batches of updates using the Annotate feature. Simply click Annotate, select the area you need to change, and type whatever you want Studio Code to do. Once you've created a bunch of annotations, click Send to Chat, and Studio Code will tackle each item autonomously for you. Need to test mobile responsiveness? Studio has you covered, with options to preview on mobile, tablet, even desktop. You can even toggle a full screen view for testing on larger monitors. All the Studio functionality you're familiar with is still there, including your site management tools, site settings, and your debugging options, and it's easy to switch between site settings and the chat pane. Additionally, if you don't plan to use any of the built-in AI features, you can disable them in the Studio settings. This allows you to still keep using all the Studio features inside the new desktop experience. You can still create preview sites for clients to review, or push straight to staging or production environments on Pressable or WordPress.com. The new Studio Agentic desktop experience is now in beta and is the default for all new Studio installs. If you're an existing user and want to try it out today, head to your Studio settings and either click the Try It button at the top of the General Settings window, or select New Studio Experience from the Beta Features menu item. If for whatever reason you want to switch back to the original Studio experience, head on over to the General Settings window and click on the Switch to Classic button. We're excited for you to try out the new Studio Agentic desktop experience, so we're giving all users of the new experience a limited batch of free AI credits to try it out. I can't wait to hear what you'll build with this brand new iteration of WordPress Studio.